Join Dani and I as we attempt to survive 2 of the haunted houses at abandoned haunted house complex.
This is Dani from 4 Abandoned Haunts.
Welcome, my friends! Come on in, come on in.
Hello.
Are you okay? Okay, perfect. Come on in, my friends. Quickly now.
Ow.
If you would please stand right here for me. Just a little further. Little further. Little further. Perfect! Gather in, my friends, gather in. And if everyone could take a tiny step away from all walls and benches. You do not want to fall on anything on the way down. Yes, on the way down. Welcome to my time machine. In just a few moments, we're going to go down in time. When we do, we're going to put our hands up in the air and scream. Are you ready? It's a time machine. I got all the time in the world till you're ready. Okay, perfect. Like I said, on the way down, we're gonna put our hands up in the air, look up into the sky and scream, because it's much more fun that way. Oh, I always forget about the safety rules. There are 3 things. You'll figure it out. I love my friends. Into the time vortex you Don't spend too much time in the dark! Let them look this way!
You're pretty. Pretty good. I'm sweet now. Keep moving, Helen Keller. Wow. You like it? Why you looking always up? Look down.
Stop meeting like this. You're obviously not very good at following directions. Come on.
Sorry, you said left.
No, I said right.
Feels weird. Oh, that's cool.
Souls belong to me. These are the hidden realms where you shall not enter. You have gone far enough. Your souls belong to me.
It's like that one hallway, but smaller. Do you know any good stories? I've already read all of these ones. They're not very good anymore.
Do you like The Wizard of Oz?
What's that?
It's a story about a girl who gets really high in a poppy field with her friends.
I like good stories. I'll look for it.
Okay.
I always need more books for my library.
Good. Have fun.
Did you poop today? Yeah, I did. Congratulations! Thank you! How was the texture? It was normal!
Hey! This is my shop! What are you doing?
Mine doesn't have a head either.
Are you here 20 shillings!
What?
20 shillings! I want my shillings!
They paid the man.
Where's the rest of your beer then?
Oh, cool. Got you.
Yeah, you did.
I've never gotten got by a vortex tunnel.
Thank you.
Hey, you that stripped the power breaker, huh? Where is your money? I need it. I want it. Hi! You better be careful.
You're welcome. I love the hat.
I love you.
Hand it over.
The hat?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's play a game of cat and mouse. All right. Just slow, honey. Come on now. But anyway, are you single? Oh, a camera.
Not yet.
There you go. Excuse me, bad bitch coming through.
The talent. You must go quickly. The doctor's waiting for you. Oh my god.
Hemorrhoids! Oh, hemorrhoids are that scary?
Look at you.
Hey, please, it's been so long! What's that thing on your head? Where's your scalp? It's under here. Almost ready! I gotta get Jake in the pot! Aren't you a sight for sore eye, Danny?
It wasn't wet. It feels moist.
It sounds like there's a monster up there.
There we go. Ready for those showers?
Come on, Papi Chulo's waiting for us. Oh yeah, Papi Chulo, get that water running. Oh yeah. The shit got real too, big boy. Oh yeah. I like it rough, big boy. Are y'all lost? I honestly, what are you even doing here? Why are you here?
I don't know.
Okay, well, I mean...
Wow.
It's really tight.
Isn't that awesome though?
It's really tight, and you're walking like above the haunt and going multiple levels, and like, oh my god.
That was crazy. I scraped
was
my knee for
crazy.
sure. But that was a lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
I'm still wet.
I definitely
Ew,
hit my.
really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm still wet.
From those
Yeah,
rags.
from those rags. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was gross. Okay, all right.